Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. Today I'm going to do a flip through of the Erin Condren Focus Teacher Lesson Planner. There is some background noise. My Cricut's doing some cutting of stickers that I'm going to be using in here, and I'll be doing another setup video because I'm not using this for a teacher planner. I'm using it for a business planner. So this is the one with the harbor cover, which is not detachable. I just got it with the sale that was going on, and because the sale had buy one cover get one free, I also got the covers. So what I'm going to plan on doing, I didn't think I wanted to use this cover, but now that I got it, I do really like it. But this is what I'm going to do. If you take this and put it on the back, and then you get these apart here. If you put the front cover on here and the back cover on like this, you can use this like this and still leave that cover on here. Now, because it was a buy one get one free sale, I got two covers. So what I did was I put this one on for January, and then I figured for half the year, after June, I put this one on for July through December. And again, I put the front cover on, the back cover on next to it, and then you can just flip it like this and then have this planner. And it does stick out here, but this time doesn't matter to me because the clear pocket that comes with this actually sticks out anyway. So that's already sticking out, so having this cover stick out a little bit does not bother me one bit. And I like it because I can use all the covers at one time. So let's go back to the flip through. Let's get back to the original cover. Now this is an 8 by 10 or is it 8.5 by 11? I'll have to look that one up, and I'll put on the screen what it is. But it's bigger, obviously. Here it looks huge, but using it, it does not feel that big. Okay, so obviously the first cover, and then this would not be here. The first page is teacher lesson planner and your name page. I am going to cover this up, and again, I'll show that on my setup video. Another thing I noticed that was really nice is each page is perforated. So if you don't use this page or any of the other pages, you can take it right out of there. Now this page says all about me, and it's got your information, and it says websites and password, classroom resources, and then there's events and volunteers. And obviously it's very easy to take this page and use it for something else just by covering these up with some blank label stickers. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for yet, but once I think of something, I will let you know. And that's on the contacts tab. And then there's a communication log, and again, very nice for making some kind of list. All you got to cover up is the top, and you may not even need to copy this up depending on what you're using it for. And that's on the 21-22 tab. And then you have the calendar. It does have some 2021 in it, all the way up to there, but then it does have the full 2022 in here. And then this page has the full 12 months, and I'm going to be using this for stats. So then I'll have my YouTube and my Instagram stats. And I made stickers for those also, which just finished cutting. So again, next video. And then there's a section that's called graph, where they have these graph pages that are supposed to be used for seating charts. But again, this can have any type of uses. I'm going to use it when I have an idea, if I need to draw something out of an idea that I want to make. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of that. And then 1, 2 line pages. And then it gets into January. And that starts with this full line page, 3/4 lines, and then dates to remember. So this can be used definitely as is for things that I have going on each month in my business. And then the months are just plain like this. Nothing needs to be done to these. Nice big squares. And then the weeks are like this. And because it only has the 5 days, I'm going to be whiting these out and putting this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then this gets to just be my notes sidebar, just like in a normal planner. And so I've made stickers, again, to fit up there. And I think it's going to work out great. It's like that for every month, and then at the end of the month, there are 2 notes pages. Perfect. Then it goes into the next one when the tabs are on the month. So it brings you to the month right away and not to the notes page. So that happens every month, is exactly the same. And then this one's, I've got this one in here so that it goes through June. And then my, like I showed you, the cover changes. So that doesn't come with it either. So let's go all the way to the end of December. And then there is a checklist tab. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of those pages. And then that's the end of the planner. But what I'm going to use for this, since I need 12 for the year, I am going to divide this column in half and use it for 2 months. And actually, yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. There's enough lines here to fit 31 days. So I'm just actually going to number this 1 through 31, and then I can have, that's what I was going to do. Sorry, go back. I'm going to number this 1 to 31 down the side, and then this is going to be for 1 month, and then this page will be for the next month. And on top here, I'm just going to write my things for my my videos when I'm loading my videos and any type of monthly task, and then I can just put the day. So I made myself some stickers, and we are going to get started here. Okay, so what I wanted to do first was on this page here. Got all these different stickers to try. I wanted to put kind of like my logo to cover up that teacher part, because I definitely don't need it to say teacher lesson planner. So I just thought I'd stick the sticker right here. Ooh, you can see that through that. Hold on a minute. I think we want to white this out because it shows right through the sticker. I'm going to get some white out quick. I don't know if this one's going to, that part's going to show through because it's not the white, but we'll do the whole thing. Okay, then I can push this down and just kind of put that on there. Like that. And then I have for the name section, I have my name somewhere too. I did pretty big. I don't know if that's going to show through also. The lines. I don't think so. Just kind of try and center it there. Okay. All right. So that's the first page. These pages, I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, so for now we're just going to skip them. And this page we're not going to do anything with right now. But this one we are. I want to put Instagram. I'll make them fit here. I made them a little bit bigger since we have so much space. Instagram and YouTube. I'll just do one for now to show you what I wanted to do. And then I can kind of track my followers. Oops. Yeah, I could do like the beginning of the month and the ending of the month. Is that how I want to do it? Beginning and end, something like that. I could probably move this one up one more to give me a little bit more space. There we go. So I'm going to do that for every month. So we'll just leave that for now so you guys don't have to watch me do all that. Then this one, don't know yet. This one we're leaving. And then the month we're leaving. So then for, actually though, I did make squares. Yes, I'm going to write down my videos. So I did make some squares, some square boxes, but I would have to pull out my other planner to see when I had video. So I'll do that later. And then this is what I wanted to change also. And I have all this extra sticker paper that was along the side because Cricut only lets you cut out, you know, such a size, so I thought I could put this over here, but now that I look at it, I think these are too long. It's going to take away one of my lines. So I think I'm just going to white it out anyway. And then I'll show you what I was going to do. So this starts on the 3rd, just so we make sure we remember that. Yeah, this, if you line it up, it covers the whole thing, so it's not bad. January might have to cover a little more. All right. So then I am going to find Monday. This kind of printed them all over the place. I wonder if I should do the numbers first. Why did I say it started with the 3rd? So I'm going to put this like this so that I can have 7 days of the week. I guess maybe I'll just start with January since it's passed already, and I'll see how the numbers fit and how I like this, and we'll see what happens. And then I can do February better and then March even better because March hasn't even started yet. Wednesday somewhere. It's all trial and error, but I really needed a planner, and I knew that the big one would give me more space. And would fit my needs better. I like that I can make, I don't really need this one. I like that I can make categories too, you know, that you can track different things. Like this could just be what I'm doing for YouTube. This could be just what I'm doing for Instagram. This could be just what I'm doing for Etsy store, that kind of thing too. If you were just having your to-dos in here, where I'm going to use this more for all the financial things that I have to do to keep track of sales. So I'll keep track of sales here. That will be this area. The weeklies, the months is going to be my videos. And I think that will work out pretty good because I had been doing that in my ring planner. But then I decided it really needs its own planner. And I guess this could be a little tedious, but I find it fun setting up a new planner. And for people who don't work on Saturday and Sunday, this would be an excellent work planner, and you wouldn't even have to switch a thing, because that's the only reason I did switch it is so I would have all 7 days. But if you don't need all 7 days, it works even better. It does not have to be a teacher planner. And that's another thing. I don't know if the regular, I don't have Sunday now either. Sunday's on this page. I don't know if the regular teacher planner is January through December. I suppose you could redate that too, because it is definitely 12 months. But you could redate it and make it work for January to December planner too. So the thing is, people think that redating's hard, but technically every week when you put your sticker kits in, you're dating the planner. So redating it is basically the same thing. Okay, so that's that. And then I want to put January over here just so I know which month it is. And I think I made this too big, but we're going to make it fit right here. Yeah, it's going to go over a little bit. Maybe I'll go this way and cut it off some. Could always do that. Or I could put it, I don't know if I should put it down here. Or I could actually turn it. Maybe since, to give it a little more, I think I will do that. I'm going to center it here and turn it this way. Give it a little different look. And I made that blue because I figured January, we think of January as blue for cold. So that's why I made all these boxes blue. And then February will be pink and so on. So that's going to be, I have to keep doing that then for the whole month. I don't have enough of these, so I'm not going to do that here either. But that's basically how this is going to be set up. And then I'm going to use, oh, that's my page. I'm going to use the pages at the end for some other, keeping track of some other things. And I would like to show this when I get it completed, but I don't really want to show numbers, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to show this or not. But this is more or less just showing you an idea of how to use this planner in a different way. And look how nice this looks too, with it being the focus planner. It's very, very plain and neutral, and it works out good. There's no colors in here, and you can do it however you want to do it. And I'm just going to stick these. I'm not sure when my videos were on in January, but say I had one on a Sunday, then I'm just going to stick this on here and write what the video was right there. And I could actually recolor this if I wanted to too. All right, so that's it for today. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload.